Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. When you take out a personal loan from a lender, you make a legal commitment to repay that loan. And although you might have every intention to repay that loan, life happens. You miss one payment, then another. Then, before you know it, you will earn the title of the personal loan defaulter. So what happens after that? That is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. So first, who is a defaulter? Missing one or two payments does not give you the title as a defaulter. But if you miss more than 6 months, that is 6 consecutive months of payment, then definitely that means you are a defaulter. Now, what happens if you default on a personal loan? Number one, your credit score will be affected. So whenever you take a loan out from a bank or a non-banking financial company, all your credit history will be shared with SEBI. And there, when they are calculating your credit score, they will definitely look at the fact that you have defaulted or missed more than 6 consecutive months of payment. And that will definitely give you a very low credit score. And low credit score means in the future, if you are applying for any loan, then your chances of getting approved are very less. Number two, your cosigner or your guarantor will be impacted. So whenever you take out a personal loan, there are chances that you might have had a cosigner or a guarantor. So if you have so and if you had missed more than 6 months of consecutive payments, then your cosigner will be getting a lot of calls and a lot of notification and reminders. And sometimes they might even ask them to pay your personal loan. And not just that, their credit score, that is your cosigner's credit score, will also be affected. Number three, your financial burden grows. So whenever you miss a payment, you will be added a penalty charge or a late payment fee, or sometimes the interest even goes up. So that means you'll have to pay more than what you actually owe. So that means your financial burden grows. So make sure you make all the payments on time so that you will not be facing a heavy late payment charge or a penalty fee. Number four, banks and non-banking financial companies might resort to legal ways. So if the banks or the financial companies are not able to take out the money from you, that is recover the money from you, then they might file a case against you in the court, which means you'll have to face this whole situation in a legal way. So make sure it doesn't go up to that, and make sure that you talk to your lender or the banks and ask for a extended tenure or try to make a one-time settlement. Now, these are the things which can happen if you default on a personal loan. But if you have defaulted, then here's what you can do. Number one, do not panic. Try to be calm, try to think of why you defaulted and how you can find a solution to this situation. Number two, talk to your lender. So here what you can do is talk to your bank or talk to your lender or any other non-financial companies and ask them to increase your tenure and decrease your EMI. That way your EMI amount will be less, so you will be able to afford it. Or the other thing you can do is ask for more time to repay the loan. Or the last resort, you can ask the banks to give, and in the worst case scenario, you can request the bank to make a one-time settlement. Number three, consider refinancing. Now, through refinancing, you may be able to decrease your EMI amount. However, you need a very good credit score to find a refinancing for your loan. Number four, increase your income and cut back on expenses. So one thing you can do is find another passive income or have a passive income or do other side hustles or any other freelancing jobs and earn a little more income. Or the next thing you can do is cut down on your budget. Make a budget and stick to it so that you will have an extra or surplus cash which you can use to repay your loans. Number five, know your rights as a defaulter. Even if you're not able to repay the loan, let it be willfully or genuinely, you still have some rights. No one can ever force you or manhandle you in this situation. So know your rights and act accordingly. So this is all that you need to know if you default on a personal loan. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or how to start a business or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use that code, you will be getting 2000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.